Hey traders, Stocks to Trade is up and running, so I want to do an updated watch list and give a little bit more detail into things. So I believe my last video I did yesterday was a little bit more reduced, and I want to explain my point of view and thesis to why I'm watching these stocks. So the ones that I have got up, closed strongly, and were big percentage gainers for Friday. So I will be updating this again tomorrow. The problem will be is I've got work from 5 to 1, so it might not be a video. It will just feature on Profitly. So if you guys aren't on Profitly, there is a link in the description section for an affiliate link. So if you're looking to get on Profitly, see the video lessons, get in the chat room as well. And the big thing about that is it's not about alerts. It's not about hot stock tips. If you just look at my channel, you'll see I have made progress and how much work I've put in, how many videos I've put in. So it's very easy to see that it's not some sort of magic trick and overnight you're I wouldn't call myself a consistently profitable day trader, but I have progressed where I have some idea of what I'm doing. So what I want to talk about is, to begin with, PXS. Now, look, this one here, it held not too badly at the end of the session and then spiked up. It had news as well. I won't go into that, but it did have a catalyst, and the market reacted to it. So that's what you want to see, because the majority of penny stocks look like this, which is sideways price action, and it's not going anywhere. You can't really trade that. That's pointless. It's not going anywhere. You can't make money. So that's not what I waste my time on. I immediately look at the main scanner that I have, and I won't go into the details of the filter, but and you also want to see volume of shares. Volume of shares means there's liquidity, and it's easy to execute getting in and out of the trade as well if things don't go well, or if it spikes really quickly and you want to get out and you're in profits. So this trade, 10.4 million shares, averages 580 odd thousand. So it was 20 odd times the average, and I mean, I don't mind this. It's obviously a junker, but you've got to sort of see there is potential there. So if it comes back and bounces off 460, we could see a dip buy opportunity on PXS, STGG. I hate this one up. This moved a lot as well. Maybe a dip off the 130s, although that wouldn't be a significant enough panic. But we might see the spike again like it did here. The thing, if it is starting to do that, you've got to get in straight away, and then you've got to be willing to get out quickly if it fails, which it did. So I don't really play those. I more like the dip buy where it drops down, and then it starts to turn a little bit, and then you can get in. Okay. BUR, this one not too bad. I like how it had a couple of touches and went again. So we might see it come down to the 59-cent price and bounce off that again potentially. So They discussed a board change and confirmed no material undisclosed information. So take that how you will. I mean, there's a lot of potential. It's a very low price stock, pretty low market cap, so potential. I'm not, when I'm discussing these, I'm not obviously going into details about finances and balance sheets and SEC filings and the nitty-gritty of the company, because you have to really make an assumption that these companies are priced like this for a reason. Okay, so I mean, let's just get this, and let's go to the 5-year chart if it's been trading that long. I've got pretty poor internet connection. I do apologize. Let's see if it loads up. I'm gonna have a sip of water. Yeah, so I mean, so it's massive volume spike though. So there's obviously interest in the company, so we'll see what happens with this one. Guys, I'll go back to it today. It's got a bit of a creaky throat, pardon me. BTG, and I played this one before. I do have it up. 3.6 million shares traded. Low floater. We'll see. Why do I have this up? It might have based in the 170s, so I might be okay. I think, and it held above the 20-day moving average as well. We'll see this one. I don't really like that. We'll see. We could get another spike higher, but the thing with this is that it had some interesting news out, and the market didn't really react too well. I mean, it reacted semi-strong in pre-market. As you can see, there was quite a few 1 minute candles that had considerable volume, but they announced their stem cell patent portfolio with new US patent on methods for producing blood cells, platelets, and bone marrow. So it's an updated patent, and the market didn't really react too well during the session. So it may be one of these things where they're digesting information and it might, get some interested parties coming in on the Monday. We'll see. DPW, bit of a dip buy there, were we? Oh, volume was huge too. Look at that. I think I was at work really early in the morning and I just watched this and I was like, wow. And there was no news when this sort of thing happens. It's a little concerning. Well, there was a little bit in recent developments. I don't know what that means. Digital Power Corporation announces recent developments. Was it to do with Bitcoin and something? Anyway, I won't really delve into that, but we'll see. I think maybe again it's one of these ones where it bases strongly, and then we might see some movement. So over $3, you could see a dip off that and bounce off support. And VKTX, this one might have been the pick. Now we've got MYO as well. So this one traded not too badly. Was I discussing a dip buy here? Dip buy off here maybe? 390s? 350s? Might have been way back down here, so we're talking into the 360s, so panic selling and then maybe a bounce. There was a share offering here, public offering, common stock, not seeing shares. Okay, so it might be a bit of financing going on here, we'll see, but or it could be a bounce off the 390s for VKTX, sorry. But again, wait and see. I won't be able to do a video update, but I will give a written analysis on Profitly. And we've got MYO as well. Might have been discussing a dip buy off this one. We'll see again. I'm going to wrap this video up, guys. Thanks again for watching. Have a great weekend. Study hard. Do your research. And I will see everyone tomorrow. Bye.